Hello guys, how's it going? Welcome to another video. Today I thought we'd do something a little bit different. First of all, we got a trade going on in the background. Top right hand corner you can see it's a live account. It's a different account that I've been showing you so far. The account balance is at around $53,500. You can see that at top right hand side as well, and then bottom left, and at the bottom here you can see if you follow the cursor. The balance is at 53,500, currently in an open trade, a short at this level here. Hoping for the market to come down, but also prepared for it to go against me. So it's a layered system where we're going to add as it goes against us, because that's been calculated that's part of the system. So we're currently $154 in loss at the moment, and I'll talk more about what this account actually is. In my previous accounts, you would have seen I was trying to turn $10,000 into a couple of $1 million, but this setup is a bit different, because in this one I'm basically going to this is a medium risk, so it's not high risk like the previous one. I'm not taking as much risk nor that much leverage. So the idea is to grow this account sustainably long term, and looking to make about 60% per year over 15 years. So we're looking to turn this $50,000 into a decent chunk of money. So this will also be available to you guys to invest in, so make sure to stay till the end of the video and take advantage of this. This is my premium strategy on this account that I'm trading, even though the market is now the trade is going against me $200, but again, that's factored into my system, so there's no panic happening, there's no issues. It's part of how trade moves. You have to allow the trade to breathe. So stay in the description of the video. You will find resources to help you get started on how to copy this trade. This is once in a lifetime opportunity, and I'll speak more about that as the video goes on towards the end of the video. But first, let's get an update from this channel, Republic World. Go to YouTube and subscribe to these guys. On this channel, there's a Major General, G.D. Bakshi. He gives his opinion about how the Iran war is progressing so far. So let's watch that. You can see the trade going on in the background. You can see the charts up here, so you can follow that as well while we listen to General Bakshi about the Iran war. And towards the end, I'm going to speak more about, explain more about the copy trading service that will be available to everyone to invest in. And the minimum on this is $25,000 USD. So in Australian, that's about 37,000. New Zealand, that's be closer to 40,000. So this is a really great opportunity to create generational wealth. And if you have a long enough perspective, a horizon to make those returns, it's really achievable. And this strategy is like I said, my best strategy. So with limited spots available. So let's play General Bakshi about the Iran war first.
The reports have come in of massive demonstration in all 50 states of the United States of America. 90 lakh people, 900,000 people, almost close to 1 million are supposed to have come out on the streets to protest this war. They are very unhappy about the prospect of young American troops being committed to the ground and being put in harm's way, and a massive or a large-scale rise in the flow-in of body bags. At one stage, Donald Trump had even remarked very, very callously that if it has to be another Vietnam, let it be so. I hope he remembers that there were 50,000 American body bags that came back from Vietnam. is not a happy augury to revert to. And a lot of people are saying that, like Lyndon B. Johnson got caught in an escalation trap, Donald Trump is almost 75% in the escalation trap, as per Dr. Robert Pape, the top air power expert, escalation dominance expert in the United States. And he is quite clear that we are almost there into the trap. The United States Central Command has said that the Tripoli and the Boxer, the Tripoli was supposed to have stopped in Diego Garcia, are in theatre. All the deployable troops, Marine Expeditionary Unit 11, 31 are both in theatre, as also a brigade worth from the 82nd Airborne Division, which is already in theatre in the Gulf countries and awaiting further orders. Like I said, a number of very well-meaning, very patriotic American military experts, like the former Admiral Trevelyan, a former Navy chief of the American Navy, has clearly stated that he is extremely worried about the survivability of the Boxer and the Tripoli sailing in the Gulf of Hormuz to attack the Karg Island. The Karg operation has been so badly advertised. In every possible American channel, you are having the wargaming of the taking of the Karg Island, of the 30 islands in the Gulf of Hormuz. The more likely,
it's not regulation size, that's why,
are Lesser Tomb, Greater Tomb, Abu Musa, etc. Right? Karg Island is just about 15 miles from the mainland. You can get into serious trouble. And every day that you are advertising the attack on the Karg Island, I thought that is disastrous operational security. You may be trying to scare the hell out of the Iranians, but you are also helping them to get prepared. The military analysts and experts are saying that Iran could retaliate with the fast attack boat swarms, which are very small, hidden all along the coast, not all of them destroyed, midget submarines, etc. Even possibly the bigger submarines could be thrown into the fray. Then there are the ballistic missiles, cruise missiles, drones.
Looking to trade but not sure who to trust? You're not alone. Our reviews show why thousands of traders from 160 countries choose Pepperstone. Here you can find a number of CFD markets to trade.
Then they have started laying mines on the beaches of this island, anti-personnel mine, anti-ship missile, anti-personnel mine, anti-tank mines, anti-vehicle mines.
Excuse me, sorry.
All along the coastlines of all these islands. The American propaganda movies put out by the Central Command and the other American channels are saying that we've got the tilt-rotor Osprey helicopters which will be able to bounce these mines. Even the hovercrafts will be able to bounce these mines. But then you've got a lot of these mines will have to be cleared, because whatever you put on board, wherever they might land, they will have to clear lanes through the minefield for their supplies to come in, etc. Some will come through the hovercraft, some will come through the Osprey helicopters. This is where the man pads, the shoulder
Osprey is going to get shot down though.
Missiles come in a big way. The RPG rocket launchers come in a big way. The anti-tank guided missiles come in a big way. The FPV drones, for God's sake, the drones have been knocking out the tanks, Russian tanks, Ukrainian tanks. I mean, they hardly dare move. And we seem to have learned nothing from the Ukraine war. We are still back in World War II. Our tanks will go charging, etc. What about the FPV drones? What are they going to do to those tanks? Why is it that the Russians don't attack in squads of more than 6 to 7? Because the moment you present a target, the FPV drones knock it out.
Take it out.
I'm sure the Russians have passed that information down, and therefore the chances of very massive casualties are very, very patent and obvious. Next point is,
Okay guys, I think not to make the video too long, if you want to go ahead and check out the whole video, go to Republic World. Make sure to subscribe. They've got 7.5 million subscribers, so yeah, they're doing well. And yeah, just go ahead and type this the title in, and yeah, you can watch the whole video. It was just an example of the types of videos I watch. This is one example. I'll be showing you other channels that I follow. I like to follow politics, a little bit of philosophy, not too much, and economics. So maybe the next economics is I mean, the finance news can be quite boring, so I'm going to be careful as to which channels I introduce you to, because you need to be really interested in it to kind of watch it. It can be a hard watch because they go into too many details, terminologies, and it can lose a lot of viewers. But it still has a good base that of people that follow. So, all right, let's move on to the next thing. Let's talk about this strategy that I'm trading, this $50,000 $50,000 account with, to bring some value to you guys, to make it so that you are able to participate. So I've created a copy trading prospectus as what type of offering this is. The name of this strategy is called Aurum Alpha Exponential. You can use Google to find out what Aurum means. And alpha is, like I said, it's the returns you generate over the indices, like for example the S&P 500. Aurum Alpha Exponential is the name. Copy trading prospectus. Prospectus means basically the offering that I'm offering, the service I'm offering. Investment memorandum. Strategy. What's the name of the strategy? I mean the name of the strategy, but what's the description of the strategy? It's a discretionary pattern-based gold CFD trading. A minimum investment on this copy trading system is 25,000 USD. The maximum initial investment capacity is 10 million, which means if a minimum investment is going to be 25,000 and maximum capacity is 10 million, that means only a maximum of 400 clients can be onboarded into this strategy. So there's only 400 opportunities available in this strategy. And like I said, it's really lucrative. It's over a long-term horizon and medium risk. So, I mean, it's one of the best opportunities that are out there in finance, professional and retail space. So, trading frequency, 2 setups per month. Inception, Q2 2026. It's live now. So the second quarter of 2026. We're in it now, 1st of April. Executive summary. Aurum Alpha Exponential represents a concentrated, high conviction approach to gold market inefficiencies. Unlike trading gold strategies that trade continuously, we operate as specialist snipers, deploying capital only during I always struggle to say this word, statistically anomalous price behaviors where asymmetric risk-reward profiles emerge. Our edge, patience. We use patience as a weapon. While others overtrade, we wait for perfection. Like this trade right now, even though it's going against us, it's been very selectively picked. So it's not just random. And you can see that there is gold is at an extreme right now of a range. Investment strategy, core philosophy. Gold reveals its secrets to those who watch, not to those who chase. Asset class, gold CFDs, as I mentioned before. Approach, again, discretionary pattern recognition based. Trade frequency, why is it doubling? Holding period is varied. So it just depends. Can be anywhere from a couple hours to a couple of days. What we target, we identify extreme overextension events, statistical outliers where gold prices deviate from mean behavior. These moments create asymmetric upside, blah blah blah. I'm not gonna bore you, but those who know the space can read that. Psychological edge, retail panic, euphoria, creating institutional grade entries. Why gold? Why trade gold? It's got deep liquidity. It's behaviorally consistent, and it's a macro anchor, or it's a perceived macro anchor, and it's a 24-hour market. So you can trade it across multiple time frames. Multiple sessions. Fee structure. What's the fee like in this for this copy trading service? There is no management fee, zero. The reason why, because when you apply a management fee, it sort of takes away from the compounding effect, and it kind of leaves the investor with a lot less. So for example, it leaves you about 30 to 40% less than what you would make if I didn't have the management fee, a yearly management fee. So I wanted you guys to have maximum returns, and that's why I didn't put any management fee on there. Performance fee, it's 20%, which is industry average based off the high water mark. You can Google what high water mark means. There is no hurdle rate. Fee calculation example based on 60% gross annual return. Like I said, we're targeting 60% gross returns. So performance fee, if I charge 20%, which is about 12% of the 60%, then the net return to investor will be 48% per annum. And that is incredible returns actually. No management fee means 100% of investor capital works 100% of the time. Performance illustration, 15-year trajectory. So this is a 15-year trading system. Like I said, you need a longer term time horizon, and you're not going to get rich in 1 or 2 years. You need to give it enough time. So we're using time to our advantage. 15-year time horizon is a good amount of time to average out the risk that we take. We're taking medium level of risk over 15 years to get decent returns. It's it's not too bad. So let's say you invest the minimum initial investment, which is 25,000 USD. Let's say you invest 25,000 into this strategy. The final value after 15 years, after all the fees and everything, you're looking at about $8.9 million, $8,950,000 over 15 years. So like I said, guys, this is my premium strategy. It's the best I've got, and risk is managed over averaged over like the 15-year period. So we've been able to and the net gain is like, again, minus the initial investment. Effective annual return per annum is 48%. So essentially you'll turn 25,000 USD into 8.9 million in 15 years net of fees. And guys, it's my best strategy. What can I say? And at maximum capacity, $10 million. So that's the maximum investments I'm looking at taking initially. Initial investment of 10 million, final value would be $3.5 billion for the system. And just to reiterate, past performance does not guarantee future results. Investment terms, minimum investment is 25. Maximum investment capacity is $10 million, meaning I can only take on a maximum of 400 clients. That's to say, if everyone invests a minimum of $25,000. If someone invests 100,000, 200,000, then this maximum number goes down because it's based on the capacity. So I've just taken if everyone invests a minimum of 25. And the platform is trading platform is delivered through Black Bull Markets, and the platform itself is a C-Trader platform. Aurum Alpha Exponential, precision in gold, patience in profit. So why should you go with Aurum Alpha? It's have I gotten the right thing out there? Okay. So I think I've just doubled up on the same thing. All right, in the next video I'll speak a lot more about it. It's 20 minutes into the video, so guys, once again, I hope you are able to take advantage of this opportunity, and you can stop the video, rewind it, and go through the entire prospectus slowly, and see if this opportunity is good for you. I mean, for $25,000 over 15 years to have $8.9 million, you can just figure out what kind of effect that will have on your financial security, financial freedom, and your prosperity, and all your life plans with a $25,000 investment. And that's the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, share it with your friends and family that would be interested in an investment opportunity like this. This is a professional level strategy that is available to everyone. Usually it'll be only, if I opened a hedge fund, a proper hedge fund, it'll only be available to high net worth individuals. And this is one of the incredible opportunities that this type of offering is available to normal retailers. And if we just go back to the account now, we're $400 in the red, down under, but again, too easy. That's part of the system. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.